Alright, friends, we're on to another exercise, and now we have to display something on the screen, but it has to be based on an object. Basically, we need to use the properties of this object, access them, and create code in JSX. Remember that JSX syntax allows us to mix HTML with JavaScript. So here we have a JavaScript object, and here we have the JSX basically. So what are we going to do? We need to show an H1 and an H2 on the screen that say my name is Bob and my last name is Dylan. Let's do it. We already have a div here, and what we need to do inside this div is to access the properties. How are we going to do it? We will first place the H1 and include my name is, and now we will access the object's properties. To add JavaScript into your HTML code, you have to use curly brackets basically, and that's how we do it. We put customer.firstname in this case, and in the H2, we're going to put the person's last name. We're going to say my last name is, and now we simply access the last name using customer.lastname. Let's hit run and see what we have on the screen. We'll wait for LearnPack to build our website, and here it is. My name is Bob, and my last name is Dylan. Perfect. So let's hit the Run Test button to see if our code passes or not, and in this case, it passed with no issues, so we can move on to the next exercise. Remember that to use JavaScript inside your HTML, you always have to use curly brackets, basically. Okay, that's everything. Let's go to the next exercise.